Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to repost someone's story on Instagram. Okay, here I have opened my Instagram. Then we're gonna repost story that we are tagged in. Just remember guys that we can repost story only if we are tagged or mentioned in that story. And if we have tagged in a story, we will get a notification on Instagram direct message. So just tap on Instagram direct message, and this is someone who mentioned me on the story. Just tap on it. Then if you want to repost the story, you can simply click on add to your story right here guys. Right, and hold on, it's still loading. Alright, and before you post the story, you can edit the story. You can add tags or add sticker to your story, and I'm just going to repost the story without editing the story. And if we want to share the story or repost the story, we can click on your story right here. And let's check it to our Instagram story. Okay. Alright guys, and this is the story that I have just reposted on my Instagram, and that's how we can repost someone's story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.